for celebrating the 71st Republic Day. So, firstly, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. So today I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on Republic Day. As we all know, our country got independence on 15th of August 1947 due to the struggles made by our freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Shahid Bhagat Singh and many more. After becoming an independent country, our leaders had the aim for making a permanent constitution. So on 29th of August 1947, a resolution was passed for the appointment of drafting committee to draft the permanent constitution. And with the leadership of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, our Constituent Assembly prepared the constitution in 2 years, 11 months and 17 days on 26th November 1949. And this constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. The constitution plays a vital role in our democracy. Democracy is not fulfilled without the constitution. The constitution of our country makes the country sovereign, socialist, republic and democratic. The constitution provides us our 7 fundamental rights that are right against exploitation, right to freedom, right to equality, right to freedom of religion, right to primary education, right to constitutional remedies, and the cultural and educational rights. And also, our constitution promotes liberty, equality, and fraternity among us all so that no one would discriminate each other on the basis of religion, caste, race, etc. And all these fundamental rights and equality among us all is only due to the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. And when we talk about the celebrations of the Republic Day, the main celebration of the Republic Day are held at the national capital New Delhi at Rajpath. Ceremonious parades are performed before the President of India. Parades are performed as a tribute to India, its unity in diversity and cultural heritage. And even the single person of our country celebrates the Republic Day at his home with joy and enthusiasm. And we all know that our country often invites the officials of other countries to our country to strengthen the bilateral relations of our country. So this time, our country has invited Brazilian President Jair M. Bolsonaro as the chief guest on the Republic Day. So at last, ending my speech, I would like to say some words. I am not a handsome guy, but I can give my hand to someone who needs my help. I repeat, I am not a handsome guy, but I can give my hand to someone who needs my help. And Gandhi used to say, one nation, one vision, and one identity. No nation is perfect, it is to be made perfect. So keeping these words in our mind, we should move towards excellence and we should try our best to convert the India from developing country to a developed country. So again, Happy Republic Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.